हाय, वेलकम टू श्वेता's व्लॉग। सो लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बताया था हम आए हैं यूबी सिटी फॉर द इवेंट। तो इवेंट तो हो रहा है बट इट्स ऑलरेडी लंच टाइम, सो वी थॉट वील एक्सप्लोर सम प्लेसेस वेयर टू गो। एक्चुअली जब भी आते हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, तो वी यूजुअली गो to Subway, but this time I wanted to explore more as कि salt है और भी बहुत रेस्टोरेंट है यहाँ पे। So we finally found this attractive and we just wanted to try। तो ये है सैंचीज और यहाँ पे मिलता है मेक्सिकन फूड, तो टेक्स मैक्स एंड दे हैव ए स्मॉल पब ऑल्सो नॉट। सो वी केम हियर टू ट्राई आउट कैसा है। देखने में तो बहुत आई लाइक द वाइब्स, सो वी आर इन। और यहाँ पे मैंने ये देखा, ये है वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मेन्यू। एज यू कैन सी, थोड़ा पिक्चर जो ऊपर है वो दिखता है जैसे कि हैलोवीन में होता है, बट मे बी समथिंग ट्रेडिशनल एसोसिएटेड विद दैट, but it's very colorful and beautiful and the menu is really different Sanchez का। और ये है menu and you can see the table toppings also, so it is very colorful। तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे बहुत सारे थिंग्स जो है वो कलरफुल लग रहे हैं, सो दैट इज द वाइब आई वॉज लाइकिंग। तो हम यहाँ पे आए एंड वी आर लाइक वेटिंग फॉर आवर टर्न व्हाट टू ईट एंड व्हाट टू बाय। थोड़ा वेज का ऑप्शंस कम है बट स्टिल इट इज़ गुड एंड यस वी ऑर्डर्ड फ्यू थिंग्स फॉर अस। तो ये है सैंचीज, आप देख सकते हो कितना कलरफुल है। द लेडी ऑन द बुक, तो जो मेन्यू पे थी वही यहाँ पे भी है। द स्कल पेंटिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड यू कैन सी द पेंटेड ग्लासेस एज वेल। दे विल बी कंडक्टिंग मेनी एक्टिविटीज़ हियर, आई हैव सीन ऑनलाइन बट कभी आई नहीं थी। So maybe that is the activity glasses or they have done it for decoration, but the ambience is very good and very colorful, very cheerful। So if you are looking for a good hangout place with your bunch of people, so this is the best place to hang out। and vibes भी ऐसा लगता है कि you are in Mexico। so even the tile on the table looks so beautiful, ये tile embedded है and totally I liked the vibe। so then my son also joined us who was in the event। so finally we ordered few things and by that time it arrived, we were enjoying the music which was sung by the DJ
and I'm feeling proud, dragonfly out, this is what I need and it's a new song, it's a new day, it's a new life, so good। Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Sudden change in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. Flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a
So as you can see, he was playing music and right behind me only the setup was there. So if he was off then he would have put some music there। और बहुत ही अच्छा गा रहा था। एंड वी गॉट आवर स्टफ्ड पोटैटो फर्स्ट, देन वी गॉट आवर स्टफ लाइक वी हैड ऑर्डर्ड फॉर मेक्सिकन टाकोस, लाइक DIY की तरह ये सब सेपरेट देते हैं। सो उसमें हमें अपना टाको बनाना पड़ेगा। सो this is the filling which they have given with the rotis, what do you call, wrap. दो दिए हैं, दो ही दिए हैं वैसे तो. So that is how it is, and we have to do ourselves that one. और मैंने एक सलाद भी ऑर्डर की थी which has come in the basket or made out of atta, so that looks really yum. So finally we are having the food. Mexican flavors अच्छे हैं, quantity okay है. If you're for one, it is one or two, it is fine. And yes, the taste wise it was good, and DJ was good.
Love you for infinity.
This is one of my favorite. So salad was good and all the food was good. ये मैंने खुद ही बनाए हैं with the wrap and the fillings. Fillings was much more, actually more than two you can actually eat as a side also. We started eating as a side also the filling because इतना ज़्यादा था उसमें. तो rice was also there, so you can mix and eat with the rice. So finally came the desserts. So chocolates थे ये liquor के, और it's made out of filling with orange and tequila, so it was nice. Actually kids didn't like it, but I liked it very much. So finally the food we wanted to have was good and it was filling, and rates थोड़े ज़्यादा लगते हैं, but UB city के अंदर nothing is costly. So yes, if you really want to have a outside seats, so you can come and sit here. जैसे कि हमने बैठे थे, तो they have a inner seats also, seating का arrange किया है if you want to sit cozy or with the group, and if you have a long group you can sit on this table. So basically I like the vibe. You can see that, you know, colorful painting, though it is like skull shaped, but still I really like that, you know, the vibes color जो painting किया है, it's really nice and cute. And yes, inner seats भी है, outside seats भी है, and ambience is very good. So I really liked this place, and live DJ भी चलता रहता है, and if he is not there then the music will be going on. So they have a very nice wall this side also. Say I wanted to take some pictures for Insta and social media, so this is how beautiful the painting is. तो हमने तो अच्छे से photos ले ली, and finally the wall which I was showing from that side, this is the wall. So यहाँ पे और भी bottles हैं, painted bottles. I don't know whether this was an activity or they have decorated, but anyways the vibe is very nice, and really appreciate the you know ambience. And यहाँ से ही हम ऐसे ही निकले बार के साइड से. So I thought this is adjacent to this restaurant itself, but नहीं, ये दूसरा रेस्टोरेंट है. Actually it is adjacent to that restaurant, so they have common you know way where they can go out. So after coming out of this place I came to know that was a different restaurant, but anyways I really liked this place and we really enjoyed, and kids are enjoying in their own ways, and my kids are enjoying taking pictures how they want aesthetic and all that. So overall yes, it was nice, and we enjoyed. Thanks for watching guys.